Hey guys, so one of the things that we need to look at this fall, trying to recover from this, which I know a lot of people's lawns look like this summer, there's a few things that we can do is before we get into winter to kind of help us in the spring. So typically in the fall, our temperatures cool down, and a lot of times we will get the rains to return. But there are one of the things that we can do right now and up until we go or get into the cold months is to start top dressing and to make sure we're on the correct fertilization program. That way, as soon as the temperatures do return and we get a little bit of rain, that we can start recovering. That top dressing with a good quality compost will really help retain some moisture and feed the plants and feed the soil, the microorganisms down in there, and kind of start revitalizing everything. The other thing we also want to make sure is that we are in a good weed control program. We don't want to let these weeds get in there. With a lot of the open canopy, the bare areas, they're going to get in there real quick and easy, and that's going to be a problem for recovery of the grass. So we want to make sure we keep those weeds out of there. Really, we just need rain and cooler temperatures. That's the best thing. And don't shut your irrigation off. Just because it's brown like this doesn't mean it's dead. Like this look right here, it is just dormant. It'll come back once we get into a better situation. If y'all have any questions, just let us know and we will get it taken care of. Thanks a lot. And something else to remember for your beds, mulch is very important right now. That is going to hold a little bit more moisture in. If you have no mulch or it's very thin in your beds, a lot of that moisture is going to escape the soil very fast and it'll dry out. So it's a good idea to have at least 3 inches of mulch down, and that'll help retain some of that moisture in there.